life in the countryside was peaceful.
Same days and same tasks. Nothing ever changes. Life was peaceful.
Yet, I always wanted something more.
Then I decided, let's chase my dreams. But I was having second thoughts. Did I did the right thing? I was so happy for the very first job I found. This report is completely unacceptable. You need to fix it immediately.
It's my first day. I'm sorry.
I know you are going to make this excuse, poor village girl.
Don't play innocent with me. I saw you bullying the new girl.
I wasn't bullying.
Don't be nervous.
I think you're absolutely lovely. I didn't know our boss was this handsome and sweet.
What do you think you are doing? This is an office, not a playground for rumors. Get back to work immediately. You actually thought you belonged here. You're pathetic. Get out of my sight before you ruin the party.
Please don't cry.
I can't help it.
What happened at the party time?
And the manager, she was so mean to me.
Oh my goodness. And that was our story. Please subscribe and like for more. Bye.